There was a surge in power in our failing system yesterday, and we don't know why.
It feels alive, like it's breathing.
They said the engines faltered last night, but when I touched it, the lights came back.
Then maybe you're the reason the city still stands.
I don't want to end up like my mother.
You need to get out of the city before the guild finds you.
I will. I don't want to end up like Mother.
Good. You can go to Grayson's in the hills. They won't find you there.
Stay where you are!
Run! I'll slow them down.